This is really such a small detail, but I think it really kind of gives the car a little more of a polished look. I mean, you got this beautiful interior, which, you know, it's kind of aged a little bit, but overall it still looks like a great interior, I think. Don't mind the mess on the ground. With small touches like this, it really kind of brings the car up a little bit to date. I mean, even the modern Mercedes have a nicer sort of door lock than this does. And even the SLS surprisingly has like that similar kind of weird plastic thing, so I'll be changing those out too. But kind of hard to tell, but there is in fact an AMG logo on the very top of that pin. Looks great, kind of laser etched in there. So I'm gonna get the other side done now and show you guys how to do that. But that's it. Alrighty guys, so to change out your door lock pins on a C63 or any 204 for that matter, at least the front doors for all 204s are basically the same. Get yourself some pliers and a cloth of some sort, and you're basically going to be unscrewing this pin very gently. So you're going to want the car unlocked first of all, so it's kind of in a higher position at the moment. Look at that nasty thing, it's just awful. Anyways, we'll be wrapping this guy around there and just basically gently unscrewing it until we can kind of hand undo it, and that's it. Alright, it's at the point now where I can just kind of hand do it. It's a little bit tough, but you can do it. And soon enough, it comes on right out. Like so. Here's the nasty kind of plastic thing I was showing you guys earlier from the other side. Gonna get the new metal one. Here's a quick comparison between the stock kind of nasty plastic one and the eBay AMG one, which I think looks pretty good, honestly. Kind of hard to focus, but I'll throw in a picture of them when I have them in the car. But pretty nice and weighty aluminum. Has the AMG etching on the top, which is a pretty nice touch. I do believe Mercedes sells these as an OEM accessory, but like I said, these are on eBay, so I don't think they're original at all, but they look the part. So, gonna put these in real quick, just screw them back on the way you screw the old ones out, and that should be it. Here's the nice new metal one. Just gonna screw that in exactly the same way the other one came out. Now, my only complaint is that the AMG logo may not be perfectly, I guess, kind of facing the driver, but I've tried kind of screwing it different ways. It doesn't seem to change the way it ends up, but not really a huge deal because you barely see it. And the main thing, honestly, is that, oh, actually, would you look at that? Ended up being perfect for this one. So, for some reason, the passenger side, it was not perfect, but this side is, and that's really all that matters. So, pretty happy with these, gotta say. Highly recommend them. Pretty cheap on eBay. I want to say it was like 16 bucks when I bought them. They look loads better. That's unlocked. That's locked. Same on that side. Looking pretty solid, I gotta say. So next up for this car, I'm going to be changing out the steering wheel bezel to an AMG one. And that's it for this video. You guys can let me know whatever you guys want to see on this car. I want to change out. Wearing gloves because I'm handling some light bulbs earlier. I didn't want to mess those up, so that's why the gloves are on. Yeah, I mean, I'm down to do any small things to the interior of this car. I'm all about these little details. Just kind of makes me happy to see these things. So, really happy with how that turned out. And let me know if you think of anything else that's cool, kind of like this. So, that's it for this video. See ya.